3, 2, 1, go!
And on the Red Alliance, we see 971 first to place their cube and head out in front of their charging station. They grab one cube and on their way for another, getting 3 game pieces scored, and in the final 3 seconds, up onto the charging station as well. This time they do manage to get a level by the end of Autonomous. However, Blue Alliance not to be outdone. They got an engaged robot themselves and several game pieces scored. Not enough for them to take the lead, however, which means the Blue Alliance will be starting Teleop from behind. However, on blue, Iron Panthers hoping to start to make up that score, already on their way back from the loading zone with a cone. And they had to work their way around the defense from the Red Alliance's Apes of Wrath. This time, however, it did not trouble them. And meanwhile, we see for the Red Alliance, 971 already racing back and forth, them and alliance partners, Highlander Robotics. They are both placing their respective game pieces in the upper row, where they already have 6 nodes filled out. And on the Blue Alliance, meanwhile, it is Iron Panthers working on much of the scoring. Once again, Apes of Wrath playing some fierce defense. However, that leaves Presentation Invasion free to score as well for the Blue Alliance, and Homestead racing back with a cone of their own. However, with a minute 15 left to go in the match, Red Alliance is handily hanging on to its lead so far. Spartan Robotics for Red, up and over the charging station with a cone for the middle row. And they find a cube for the taking out in the middle of the field. Not even having to go all the way to the loading zone, they place that right as alliance partners Highlander place a cone in the upper row, completing the upper row for Red, and middle row looks soon to be filled as well. And with 45 seconds left, Blue Alliance still racing to fill out some of those game pieces of their own. Homestead Robotics losing hold of a cube, and in fact having one fall right into them from alliance partners. However, they managed to get one scored, and Iron Panthers add a cone of their own. And as we move into the final 30 seconds, looks like Blue Alliance already has sights set on the charging station. Presentation Invasion and Iron Panthers up on the charging station for blue. Presently docked and engaged. All look like they were trying to make room. However, 2135 is falling off the edge. But with 12 seconds left, Red has managed to fit all 3 robots. For blue, Presentation gets free. They're back to try again in the final 5 seconds. Red has 3 robots docked and engaged. Blue in the final 2 seconds trying to get up there. Looks like they also got their charging station level in the nick of time. And that's by a score of 179 to 112. And that means that Alliance number 2, 971, 8033, and 668 advance to match 11 in the upper bracket, where they'll be playing against our first seeded alliance.